Hi, I'm Sunshine. Do you guys want to hear a joke? What's the difference between knowledge and wisdom? Knowledge is knowing tomatoes are fruit, but wisdom is knowing to not put it in a fruit salad. Oh, listen. So, what are some ways you guys like to use tomatoes?
Hi, I'm Carolyn. I love tomatoes because they taste like summer to me. These tomatoes are from my garden. The varieties I have are beefsteak, heirloom, sun gold, and cherry. The sun golds are my favorite because they taste sweet like candy. A simple dish I like to make with tomatoes in the summer is pasta. Add a little olive oil, some salt and pepper, chopped garlic, I chop up some fresh herbs. This is basil, also from my garden. And tomatoes. Sometimes I chop the tomatoes into different shapes, but today I'm going to smash them in my hands. Smashing tomatoes is fun and satisfying. I don't need a knife, and it feels good to smash food in your hands. What other foods do you like to put in your pasta? Maybe you'll try smashing tomatoes or another ingredient. Remember that you're the expert on what you like.
Hi, I'm Chrissy, and I love storytelling and folklore because you could really get a sense of the personality and the culture of the storyteller. And storytellers usually could get inspiration from anywhere. It could be a place that they live, or animals that are in their environment, or food, in this case, tomatoes. In order to make a good story, you need 3 elements. The first is to have a memorable character. The second is to have a conflict and a resolution. Third would be a beginning and an end. I'm working on a story at the moment. It's just the beginning though. Maybe you could finish it for me. It's about Madame Marie's magical garden and how she could grow anything in this garden. And one day a pigeon flew over and dropped a mysterious seed in her garden. She didn't know what it was, but she wanted to grow it anyway. And she gave that little seed water and sunlight, and over a few days it grew into a beautiful tomato. But that's all I got. How would you guys finish the story? Have a fantastic day, happy cooking, and happy storytelling.